Good morning and welcome to Trade of the Week on Monday the 16th of January. Last week we went short the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar and did so at 134.10, as you can see here on the daily chart, and we had a stop loss at 137.10 above the December high in place, and I don't want to move that for the time being because we want to give our trader a little bit of wiggling room. This week's trade of the week is to go long aluminium. As you can see here, aluminium rose for 7 consecutive days from its January low and has taken out the December high and also the 200-day simple moving average between $2,536 and $76. And on the weekly chart, we can see that aluminium is in the process of bottoming out. We have now risen above the highs seen all the way back to July of last year and also the December highs, and are forming a bullish reversal pattern, as you can see, having bounced off the 200-week simple moving average back in September and October of last year. So we believe that this upside will continue in the following days and weeks, and our trade of the week is to go long aluminium at $2,575 with a stop loss below the November low at $2,335 and an upside target of $2,995, thus giving us a reward to risk ratio which is around 2.7.